The last question, Shaykh, before we make the closing remarks, I had to leave this one in. When will you be becoming a peer?
The answer is I will not become a peer. I'm a mudarris. I will say to all the peers, I am a kitabi mulvi. I teach books. You can bring books to me. I will know the books. I have taught books like Hidayatul Nahw over 50 times. Al-Quduri perhaps over 50 times. These are of course basic intermediary type books. Nur Lidah over 50 times. Maraq al-Falah over 20 times. Etc. etc. meaning other books as well. I am a kitabi mulvi. I am not a peer. I am not an amil. I do not do any spiritual things. But those who are claiming to be the Ghawth of the time, those who are claiming to be al-Murshidul Kamil, I am saying to them, look, Al-Imam Abdul Wahab Sha'rani says this. Muzammil Shah said about me, he hasn't spent time with the Sufis, and then he says at the same time he doesn't know me. I have spent time with Sufis, major Sufis. I know what a real Sufi should be like, and inshallah we will see the end of the Note Khwan and
not the Naat Khwan, the Note Khwan.
Note Khwan and the grifting Molvis, grifting peers, end of that culture. The new generation should go towards education. Every household should have a Hafiz of the Quran and an Alim. Every household. We need to finish now the grifting culture.